Scan the QR code and instruction manual with a browser scanner. Download and install Smart Life app. Create an account and verify it using your email. And then set your password. Select Add Device or the plus icon and follow this simple in-app instructions. Tap on Portable Air Conditioner icon and input. The password of the Wi-Fi is the same as your smartphone connected. Press the fan button 6 times within 4 seconds. Wait about 10 seconds until the LED screen shows CF then. Start to connect with your smartphone. Now you are all set. To link to Alexa, download the app and open the Alexa app. And tap on More. Tap on Skills and Games and search for Smart Life. Tap on Enable to use. Log into your Smart Life app. Tap Smart Life Smart Them. Log into your Smart Life app again and tap Next Step. Tap Authorize. Tap Next. Now you are all set. Simply ask Alex or Google Home. For instant comfort,
Alexa, turn on Mistral Portable Air Conditioner.
Okay.